In Part 2 of the Satellite Training Series, we learned that inverters also drive motors at controlled speeds. So you might be thinking, what is the difference between AC servos and inverters? AC servos and inverters are actually quite different fundamentally, and are used for different purposes. Here are some of the key differences between these two devices. The most important difference is that AC servos have a servo lock, whereas inverters do not have any locking mechanism. This functionality is enabled by the encoder included in the servo motor configuration. Servo lock refers to the state in which the servo motor maintains control of an object so as to keep the object in the desired position. Without servo lock, external force applied to an object can move the object out of position. With servo lock, the servo motor can move an object that has been moved out of position back into position. Another difference is the number of units that can be connected. An AC servo can only be connected to one motor, whereas inverters can be connected to multiple motors. The decision on whether to use AC servos or inverters should be made based on the application of devices, cost, and other factors. Make sure to select the right types of equipment for your circumstances.